Welcome to DK Coders. In this video, we are going to see something about the basic elements of HTML. So what are the basic elements? Means you know very well, like in all the HTML documents, there will be a tag called HTML. So this is the basic tag, and the end tag will be like this slash HTML. Why we are keeping this HTML tag means the basic thing is that all the HTML document will be having one start tag and one end tag. So this is considered as a start tag and this is considered as a end tag, which is having the slash. So the HTML elements defines the whole document. So this is where all the things whichever you are mentioning inside the document will be there. So always the first line will be HTML and the last line will be slash HTML. And the second one which we are using is body tag, BODY. So this will be also having the end tag. All the almost 90% of the HTML documents will be having the start tag and also the end tag. Why we are writing this body means whatever you are writing inside this body tag will be visible on your web browser or web page. So the content whatever you are writing inside the body will be only visible. That content which you are not writing inside this body tag will not be visible to your user. So this is what about body tag. So we'll just write a small thing over here, h1, to write a heading 1, and then give us slash h1. So if you see here in this tag, the h1 is having a start tag and the h1 slash is having the end tag. So as I said, all the HTML tags will be having a start tag and also the end tag. HTML, the specialty about this is there is one more called nested HTML elements. What is this nested HTML elements? Means a element can contain elements, which means if you see the body is one type of element, so inside body you can have any number of elements. So if you see h1 is one element, you can also write h2 as another element. So I'll just copy paste this one. So this might be your heading 2 and heading h2 heading. And if you see here, now we are having two elements inside one element. If you want to add further more, you can add maybe paragraph. So paragraph, and then close the end tag, like end tag for the paragraph. So if you see now, there is three elements inside one particular element of body. So this is called elements can contains the elements. So which means these three elements are inside the body element. So this is about nested HTML elements. This is one of the main feature about the HTML. So as I said, like all the things will be having start tag and end tag. There are some elements which does not have the end tags, and those are called as empty tags. For example, if you see, if I'm writing like BR, so this BR basically means about the break. So for example, if I'm writing here this a long test, this is my paragraph. So I'm just copy pasting the same thing so that you can understand. Control copy, V, control V, control V, control V. So I written one paragraph over here, and if I'm writing another paragraph, the same thing, maybe the same thing, control copy, and then giving the control V. So here maybe I'll just, for identification, let me give 2, and here let me give 1. So let us save this document and see how the output looks like. Example 11, and this is about elements .html. Whenever you are saving the document, save it in .html format. So it is saved now. So we'll just open the document and see it came here. See, now you can see the paragraphs and you can see more gap over here. This is called as line break. Like if you're writing in the same line, it can give you the break. So I'm just taking this tag, Control X, and I'm keeping it here. So now you can see there is only one line spaces over here. So after I keeping the break over here, I'm just saving the document again, and I'm just refreshing the page. You can see the space has got increased. So if you want to give more space between the paragraphs, you need to add this br tag. And this br tag is not no need of any end tags. This is called as empty tags. So in this video we learned about two things. One is about the HTML body, those things, what is the start tag and end tag, those things, and second thing is about this empty tag. I hope the video is helpful for you. So like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and wait for the next video. See you soon. Thank you.